Hi, I'm Kevin Metzger, your AI assistant guy, and today I am going to share a quick tip in ChatGPT. Something that can be very useful is being able to have a chat that you started and then share it with others so that they can start participating in the chat. And it's pretty easy to do, and you simply go up to add people where it says start a group chat, and then it'll say start a group chat from this conversation, and then click on start group chat. And it'll give you a link that you can then share. And when you copy that link, you can send the link to others. And once you've sent the link to somebody else, they can actually type into the chat, ask a question about the conversation that you've been having in the chat. They can see the entire conversation and say they want to ask something about, the images that you've got in there, or they say, oh, we want to add some other content because I've got basically I'm defining images here that I want to be able to capture, and they can add those thoughts in and basically continue the chat. Now, one important thing to note is once you've created a chat, there are a group chat, there are certain features that you can't use in a group chat, such as Canvas. So I cannot then ask to put this in a Canvas because it won't work. So just an important note. All right, great. Thank you and have a great day.